Hi guys, Marty Davis, MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri. Standing here on a 2022 280 Vantage. This is a store trade. The boat is equipped with twin 400 Mercury outboards. Got the dive door open. The rear seat folded down, that does stow away. Transom walkthrough. This boat does have the summer kitchen. Boat is heavily optioned. Joystick, and again 800 horsepower. Nice headroom. Windlass anchor, anchor washdown. Equipped with radar. Customer added sea deck throughout the boat. If you have any questions, come see me or call in and ask for Marty. MarineMax, Lake Ozark, Missouri. Thank you.